nagyaman akmat. Yes. Pride doesn't help any of us. At the end of the day, wala, di ba? I was reading a quote the other day. I forgot the quote, but anyway, let me go back. Sana nandito pa. I forgot who it was. Na yung hari at yung mule niya, when they die, pareho naman din sila that will go to the ground and nourish the earth, di ba? So, who's that king? I forgot. Was it Napoleon or something? Basta, it was just a beautiful quote that made me realize na yung pinakamayaman sa atin, na halos ginto lahat, ginto ngipin niya, ginto, kulang na lang pati buhok niya, ginto. Kahit bahay niya siguro ginto. When that person dies, diba? To dust we shall return pa rin. Lahat tayo, diba no? So, yun kaibigan. Kaya kapag masyado mong ipinaglalaban, yung karapatan mong magalit, what a waste. What a waste of life. What a waste of beauty. What a waste of breath. Right, dear friends? Kaya awat na doon sa kwento na, inapin nila ako, hindi nila ako minahal, salbay sila. Awat na sa ganong kwento. Hindi kasi natin din alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan nila nung time na yan. Kung hindi man sila mag-sorry sa atin, let's just be like Jesus and forgive anyway. Alright?